There are two cables in the box. One is for Nikon cameras and the other one is for Canon cameras. I have a Nikon, so we're going to be using this one to attach the receiver to the camera. Just has a standard little shoe fit on here, but it doesn't actually trigger with a hot shoe. That's why we need the cable. And it has a power button. It works with two AAA batteries. And then the transmitter has a power button. And there are endless options here for all the different things that you can do, from releasing the shutter to doing time-lapse, delay shots, continuous firing, interval shots. This just gives you a lot of freedom to be stepped away from your camera. You don't need to be standing right next to it in order to take the shot that you want to get. If you need to be further away, then you have that option. This makes it possible. It also works with two AAA batteries, and the receiver and the transmitter each also have a strap that you could put on the corner here if you wanted to do that. That's optional. But I highly recommend taking a thorough look at the manual because it walks you through all of the features, all of the different settings that are possible, and it'll break down everything that you need to know on how to operate it. But so far I have loved the freedom that this brings and the different things that I'm able to do now that I have this remote to fire off my shots.